Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be installing this portable air conditioner through a large window. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. All right, so here's my setup. I've got a portable AC. I've already got it plugged in. Even got the power light on, but I'm not going to turn it on because I'll get nice cool air out of these grills and hot air through this vent here. And so the key is to direct the hot air out of the room through this hose, through a door or a window without really breaching security horribly. Most of these things come with like a 30-inch transition piece. This window is 70 inches tall, so I actually bought a door kit through Amazon, which I'll put the link down below, and comes in a box. Got all kinds of crap in it. The round hose has a little transition piece that will fit into that oval. I think this thing goes to doors like 95 inches tall. There's a transition piece that hooks onto the hose. It comes with all the screws, bolts, the whole kit. I really don't think I even need any tools because everything slides in and out and is adjustable. So we'll see how it goes. So I put one section together just to see how it went, and it is as easy as I thought. I'm going to have this exhaust hole here at the very bottom of the window. And by the way, it works exactly the same whether it's going through a window or through a door. So here is another piece that I'm going to do, and the inside piece obviously is the one where the wing nut is, because you don't want somebody to be on the outside of your house and just undo a wing nut and get into your house. So the way this thing works is this is the interior panel, and there's a little, you can see a little channel right here. I'm going to put this weird little piece through this hole, like so, and then I have to kind of make it a little bit loose to get it in that slot. Like that. So then I can move this piece up and it keeps that where it is. Then I'm going to put a washer on it. And finally a wing nut. And I'm just going to stack this piece on top of the current one I have there. Just kind of loosely tighten that so it stays. And so now I will take this piece and do the exact same right there. Or I should say right there. Another piece of hardware, slide it in there and kind of build just a partition that's going to go in the window. All right, so I've got all the pieces assembled. There's where the exhaust outlet is, and then all the way down I go to there, and these are all pieces that adjust. You can see I've just kind of put them together. Got a little gap there, got a little bigger gap over there, and got a bigger one down at the end. So I'm going to open up the window, stick this thing in it, and then stretch it out until it fills the gap. All right, so I've got the window jammed against it. You can see there's a couple little air holes here. I'm going to fill those in with weather stripping. It even comes with some of this silicone stuff. It's sticky on one side to do that, but it goes all the way up to the top of the window. I've got these wing nuts as tight as they can go, and then I think for a little extra security, I'm going to get some window thumb latches and stick them behind both top and bottom of the rear of this window so the window won't be able to slide. Not perfect, but certainly better than nothing. Okay, so the last step then is to just attach the hose and exhaust it out of the side. All right, we're gonna connect the hose to the back of the machine. Let's see here, looks like it rotates like that. Cool. And then we have to corkscrew this thing to fit here. Let's see how this goes on. I'm gonna stretch this out because it's got some threads on this little piece. It's got some interior threads and exterior threads. I think this hose is big enough where it's going to be exterior. looks to me like you're supposed to screw them counterclockwise if this thing stretches out. So I just kind of jammed it in there, and now that got really tight. So I guess that's about as good. Yeah, that's tight. Okay, now just to push it into the window. Okay, so I think that what I need to do is open the window and hold the back of this plastic piece so that I don't push this right through. So we're going to open that. And this is supposed to just snap right in. Easier said than done. Okay, well, it did snap. Okay, last thing to do is to turn this sucker on and make sure it performs. So that's cool. It will get cooler, and all the hot air comes back through here, cycles through the coil, and exhausts out here. Now this is going to get very warm. You can feel it starting to warm up. Doesn't look to me like there's any leaks, but I'm gonna bolster it up so that security-wise we're good. I'm gonna move the alarm sensors so that everything is right on time. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.